I've got 1 kg of chicken wings here. I'm gonna add some salt, paprika, chili flakes, lemon juice, garlic, tomato ketchup, mayonnaise, peri sauce, whatever flavor you like, sauce, cornflour, black pepper, mixed dried herbs, coat the wings really well. These are done, so now I'm gonna let these marinate for at least 2 to 3 hours in the fridge. So these are the wings, they have been marinated. I'm gonna put the wings in the air fryer. I'm not making all of them, so these are enough. These are gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. This is how the wings look. I'm gonna flip them and I'm gonna air fry these for another 10 minutes on this side. Wings are ready.